So right here is the corn vet. Wonder if someone actually drives around in this. We are here at Santos Village at East Dundee, Illinois, and guess what? It's time for the Pumpkin Patch and Fall Festival. Let's see what they have here, so let's go! With fall around the corner, our family is kicking things off at Santos Village with their Pumpkin Patch and Fall Festival. This event happens every weekend in September and October, and we're showing you the special fall-only attractions so you'll know exactly what to expect. But here's the fun part. Rosalie is also on a mission to find Santa himself. Will she pull it off? Make sure to stick around because at the end, we'll also share our promo code so you can save money on your next visit. Welcome back, Crash Crew. You have Carl here. If you're not familiar with the channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. Can't come here without touching the pole. Is it still cold? So we're here today for the Pumpkin Patch and Fall Festival, and they got lighted pumpkin palooza, a maze, photo ops, fun fall foods, and a pumpkin patch. For season pass holders, this is really amazing because you come here, they're giving something a little bit different. They offered a few other activities that is fall related. This could actually cover your fall pumpkin festival. The first thing that really stood out to us was the Halloween decorations. Santos Village went all out for the season. There were spider webs, corn stalks, and fall details everywhere you looked. You can tell it must have taken so much time to set all of this up, and it gives the whole place that festive autumn feel.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh, the koi fish are out. All right, we're with Hazel, Rosalie's friend. Oh, they're a little excited, I think. Best part about this fall festival is the variety of rides they have. Have fun, ladies! All right, there they are. All the way to the top. Rosalie is in the back, while Hazel, her friend, is in the front. Whoa!
Yeah, I never sat in the back row for this one. It was so, my stomach dropped so far. My butt jumped up.
Hazel, do you like that ride?
Yeah.
What is your favorite part of it?
When you go up.
Yeah, the view from the top's probably pretty good.
The big drop?
All right, we found one of Santa's reindeers and also the place where he's supposed to be at, but so far, no Santa yet. So let's keep trying. So every 10 minutes, the barnyard banshees play for you.
We came here as little chicks. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Now we're grown and need some kicks. All the doo-dah day. Gonna cluck all night. Gonna cluck all day. Barnyard chickens sing this song. All the doo-dah day.
Now the barnyard banshees, man, they could really hold a tune. But that sly fox, he was there lurking in the background. Man, this is pretty fun. Pirate ship, pirate ship, pirate ship. So all the other parents wimped out, but Melissa's there with the kids. Oh, that's why the parents wimped out. Look how high that thing goes.
I can watch this ride all day with just the parents on it.
Did you see the mom in the pink? She's like,
Yeah. So what happened? I thought you were gonna ride it. No?
no.
Melissa was the brave one to take one for the team here. This is one of the favorites of any Midwest fall festival. It's the corn crib. You ready to go?
Yep.
All right, go play some corn. These corn pits are so popular here in the Midwest. Hey, if you're outside of the Midwest, do you guys swim around in corn pits also? Let me know. Put it in the comments down below. It's really hard to come to Santos Village without checking out the animals. Even though it's the fall, we're gonna head down and check out the animals because the kids want to feed them. So at Santos Village, there's the water parks available during the summer. Then there is the Pumpkin Patch and Fall Festival during the fall. And in the winter is Magical Christmas. Hey Rosalie, we have a choice here. It is Ghoulish Giggles or Fright Factory. What are we gonna do?
Fright Factory.
Fright Factory, you think you got it? Hazel, you brave enough?
Yeah.
All right, wish us luck. Oh, Fright Factory. Oh! Whoa. Oh, I'm scared. That's loud. Ah! The decoration and the sound is what makes it scary. And good news, no scare actors are scared the bejesus out of you. Oh, what happened to that alien guy? Oh, that alien lost his head. All right, let's go to the easier one. If you're curious, you want to check out Ghoulish Giggles. Ghoulish Giggles is perfect for the younger kids or anyone who doesn't want to be too scared. The decorations even reminded me of my neighbor's Halloween setup. It's fun, lighthearted, and enjoyable for all ages. Which one is this? The reindeer rocker? This is your first time going here, Rosalie. I think this is a brand new, I think this is for this year. All right, I think Addison wants a new car, and this is the car she could get. So right here is the Corvette. Wonder if someone actually drives around in this. There they come, here they are. So Rosalie is on the green and yellow. There they are. And finally, no fall festival is complete without a pumpkin patch. Santos Village has a nice assortment of pumpkins you can take home, and of course, it makes for another great photo op. One of our favorite things was trying pumpkin tic-tac-toe for the very first time. It was such a fun twist, but let's say not all pumpkins were created equal. Oh man, are you sure you don't want any of these pumpkins?
Rosalie has named those pumpkins with the green bumpy like spots all over them death pumpkins. I don't know why, but it's pretty funny.
Whoa, these are the very special pumpkins. Look at that. Why is that? Anyone know? Oh, goodness. Santa's here. We were actually really surprised that there was no line to see Santa. And Rosalie was so excited. Let's just say, when she was younger, these visits didn't always go so smoothly. But this time, she was much braver. And it was awesome that seeing Santa was included with admission. No extra fee. Honestly, where else can you visit Santa at a pumpkin patch? Hey Rose, did you whisper what did you tell him what you wanted? You should have. That was your opportunity, man. I can't believe there was no line for Santa. So we got in and out pretty fast, but I don't think people knew he was right there. If you want to save $5 for your online order, just use our promo code 2025Santos. That was pretty fun, right? It was like a theme park and a pumpkin patch all into one. Click right here if you want to learn more about the Free Money Museum in Chicago, Illinois.